I was asked a question as to what the students can do in the time of a COVID lockdown in respect of anti-human trafficking clubs. Ladies and gentlemen, students have tremendous power and potential. You don't have to meet all the time. You are meeting electronically, you are meeting on cell phone, you are meeting through the video, you can meet many in different ways. So, when we are not meeting, that does not mean the trafficking is not happening. The traffickers are utilizing the opportunity. They are capitalizing the opportunity. The human trafficking crimes have gone very high during the entire COVID scenario. So many fellows have started searching the net for child pornography. They are all traffickers. The child pornography on the net has increased, demand has increased, supply has increased. That is an indication that trafficking has gone very high. Therefore, when the anti-human trafficking club members decide to work on this, you don't have to meet physically. You can work in different ways. Start with this. First and foremost, send messages electronically on human trafficking. What is human trafficking? How we can attend to that? Our constitutional mandate under Article 23 of the Indian Constitution to prevent trafficking, where we are all duty holders, not just stakeholders, we are all duty holders. Send that message to everybody. In your own way, in Tamil, Telugu, whichever language you want to speak, send the message to people, number one. But be careful, speak properly and make it logical. Number two, there are many fellows visiting the internet looking for child pornography and disseminating child pornography through the phones to youngsters, adolescents and students. You should contact the principal of the colleges and give small skits and ideas to the principal. Okay, we'll give a skit that if a child gets child pornography in the telephone or cell phone, the child, by deleting the picture, is not a solution because it remains in the memory. What is required is we should keep a picture and notify the government agencies concerned. In a Twitter at Cyber Dost is a government of India agency, Cyber Dost. Send a message to them, they will act on that. So we need to work on this, inform the local police, inform the child line. Child line takes very good care. Inform the child line. So these are things which they can do, children can do. So anti-human trafficking club can send such messages. That is how we can start. Now, when you want to set up a club also, don't have to meet physically, 10, 15 students together along with a teacher. Electronically you meet and decide to set up a human trafficking club, anti-human trafficking club. Go on. The way you set up a fancy club or a dramatics club, it's as simple as that. There is no need for any approval, any sanction. You decide to set up a club and work for public interest, in the interest of public service. Nobody can stop you. Go ahead. That is your right and duty to do that. So I would urge on all of you, wherever the clubs are not set up, please get together, 20 students, 15 students, boys and girls, along with a teacher, set up a club electronically and then start on this mission. Initially, awareness program, then awareness through the electronic media, and then you can move on. You can go to the panchayat, you can go to the child line and help them out. Panchayats can be empowered. Panchayat members can be empowered. If the panchayats are empowered, then trafficking can be prevented in the source area. You can do a lot in this. If you empower the youth, you can prevent in the demand side also. Empower the youth. Empower the adolescents against human trafficking. So these are very many ways of doing it, even during the COVID times. COVID times is no bar for the traffickers. Let it not be a bar for us also. If the traffickers are on the prowl, they are everywhere. Let us also be there everywhere and prevent human trafficking. Let's work together to spot it, speak it, act it, and stop it. Thank you. Namaste. Jai Hind.
Thank you for watching this video. Please press like button, share with your friends, give your comments and please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much.